Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'll be telling you how to make your makeup sweat proof, budge proof and transfer proof. So now let's get started. As you can see that I'm already done with my color correction. So today I'll be using the NARS foundation to cover my face. So I am taking 2 pumps of foundation on my hand, emulsifying it with the help of blender and putting it on my face. We don't have to over put the foundation because it will start oxidizing or melting. Now once the foundation blending is done properly, now we will move on to the loose powder setting, which is very important for locking our makeup properly. So today I am using the Laura Mercier loose powder. This is a translucent powder which easily locks your makeup. So this step is very important as the powder locking will make your makeup sweat proof. So I have just taken the powder on the lid and I have started baking my face. Please keep watching as I will be doing the final test and the final product reveal in the end. Now as I'm done with the powder setting, now let's move on to the next step, which is doing our lips. So I'll be doing the lips. In the meantime, my base is getting set with the loose powder. As I've already done my eyes, so I'm not taking any more time and I will directly jump onto my lips. For lips, I'm using this Huda Beauty lip liner to outline my lips. I have just filled the lip liner inside my lips also. So in case if your lipstick is not long lasting, the lip liner will help for the lipstick to stay on. So next, now our base is set. The second tip for the sweat proof makeup is to set your base 2 times with 2 loose powders. Yes, you can use 2 loose powders at the same time. So first I have used the translucent powder. Next I will use the Huda Beauty powder, which is in the shade Cherry Blossom, to make my face uplifted. So now I have taken this Huda Beauty powder and I will start baking under my eyes. So let the product sit here for 2 minutes and then we will dust off the extra product. So in the meanwhile, my eyes are getting baked so that there will be no creasing and underlines in the end. I am just putting a lip gloss over that. So today I am using this Smashbox lip gloss over my lips. Now the pink powder baking is done, so we will dust off the extra product. So I have dusted off the extra product in the Rare Beauty blush in shade Happy. Since this is a liquid product, so I am first taking it out at the back of my hand and then with the help of the same blender, I will just start putting it on my cheeks. The pigment is really nice, so just a little bit of blush would be sufficient for your entire face. As you can see that my blush blending is already done and my face is looking so uplifted. Now let's move on to the next step, which is highlighter. So for the highlighter, today I'll be using the Stila highlighter to highlight my face. So I have taken a small fluffy brush. With the help of that brush, I'm just putting it on my high points. You can see that how flawless my base is looking. So there is no filter on, nothing, and I'm shooting this video in the natural light. So once you are done with the highlighter, now comes what makes your makeup sweat proof and budge proof and transfer proof. So today I'll be using Urban Decay On Lighter to set my face. Activating it and just putting it a little bit distance from my face, and now this is the one fixing which we have done. Again, to make our makeup sweat proof, budge proof and transfer proof, this fixer won't be enough. So we will be using two fixers today. One is this and the other one will be from Charlotte Tilbury, which will even add glow to our base. So on that, I'm using this fixer again. This is a fixer and a glow mist. So now we will let our base to dry naturally. In the meantime, try not to talk so much because the lines can come. And you can see that my makeup has started literally glowing by putting this spray. So let me come back after 2 minutes and show you how my makeup is sweat proof, transfer proof and budge proof. Hi, I'm back. So by this time my setting spray has dried up. So we have to check whether our base is smudge proof, transfer proof and budge proof. So for that we need to check with our hands. So let's just check. So there is nothing on my hand and my base is still looking very flawless and glossy and like a glass skin. So there is nothing on, no filter, nothing, and just I'm dabbing my face and you can see yourself and you can just hear the voice also. Nothing happening to my base. So this means that my base is properly locked and my makeup is transfer proof and waterproof and sweat proof and budge proof. So if you like this look and you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and follow for more upcoming content. Bye.